about into navigation, how you can navigate from one page to another. So navigation in Flutter works in a stack. So just as there are stacks in a data structure, in Flutter also the navigation works in the same way. So for example, if you have three pages, page 1, page 2, and page 3, and if you move from page 1 to page 2 and from page 2 to page 3, so you will be pushing from page 1 to page 2 to page 3. And once you are on page 3, if you pop, you will be moving back to page 2. So just like in a stack, after 1, 2, 3 items will be stacked one on top of another. Similarly, pages are also stacked one on top of another in a Flutter application. So let's just quickly see how we can declare roots in a Flutter application. So roots make it easy for us to not like, we can just include the name of the page. For example, if it's a home page or if it's a dashboard screen, we can just write the name or some nickname for the page, and we can use this naming while we are navigating to another page. So for example, here I have declared the roots for different pages, like I have named them for second, third, and fourth, but you can name them according to what your page actually does so that it won't be confusing. So once you have declared the names, if you want to move from one page to another, there are different kinds of navigation. So navigator.push will move from one page to another. Navigator.pop will come back to the previous page, like it will remove an item from the stack. And dot push will basically add an item into the stack. Now, according to your requirements, there are many places wherein you will need to pop first and then push. So then there is navigator.push, pop, and then push, or push until replacement found, or there is push named in case we have already declared roots. So I have used some different kinds of navigators here. I will just quickly go through those. So there is navigator.push named in case I want to be using my named roots. If I do not remember the name of my root, or if I have not declared a root as such, I can just use navigator.push, and inside material page root, I can actually declare the name of the class that I have. Then there is pop and push name. So this will first pop the current page and then push to a named root.